Okay, earlier on we did discrete data. Now when it comes to continuous data, we have to make use of the cumulative frequency curve. So in continuous set of data for a cumulative frequency curve, instead of just looking at percentile, I can make use of fraction. So I converted to the fraction to make our job a little bit easier. So what do I need to do now? So very simple. If I want to actually look at the median, I look at half the frequency. Oh, half of 120 is actually 60. So this is my median. Find the value. Alright, because this is half. Half of 120. And my answer for median will be 75. Please do so for lower quartile and upper quartile as well. So from the vertical axis, I will find my half, 1/4 and 3/4 to find the median, lower quartile and upper quartile values, which I written out over here. Then I can use all this answer for the next part. Okay, interquartile range, I just use the previous answer. Now the range. Oh, this 120 students, in terms of their bowling score, I need to find the maximum score minus of the minimum score. So I go to my tail end to look for the maximum score. In this case, I obtain 141. So I go to the other end. It starts with 6. So with the maximum score and the minimum score, let me find my range. Maximum is 141. The minimum score is 6. This will give us a 135. And there you have your range. Okay, let's convert the 10 and 80th percentile. 10 percentile means 10% out of 120 students. So I need to find at the 12th student, what is the value? So I go to 12. So it seems that, oh, the 10%, which is 12 students, the score is 12. Alright, so in this case, so if I want the 10 percentile, my answer is 12 points for the bowling score. Likewise, if I want to calculate 80th percentile, so look at 96. I go up to the data to draw 96 students. Okay, I managed to obtain a 96 student. Draw, I obtain 126 points. So the one for 80th percentile, 126 points. I want to find 60% first out of 120 students. This will give us, so I have 72 students score at least X point, which is more than. My cumulative frequency curve do not allow us to read more than. I want to read less than. So I need to use 120 minus 72. So actually 48 students will have less than X points, which is what I can see from the cumulative frequency curve. Then I go to 48 students. So after I go to 48 students, draw the line, I find the score to be 51. So this means X is equal to 51 after I find it from the graph.